Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raecreates and I love to create and experiment. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. So today I'm going to be showing you how to DIY these popular Instagram roses I've been seeing around. They're like a personal favorite of everybody, especially around this period. And I'm going to be showing you how to DIY them with simple, easy DIY materials that you can find everywhere. So let's just get right to the video.
Hey guys, so I'm going to leave a list of all the materials needed in the description box, so please be sure to check them out. So the first thing you want to do is to cut out your buckets that you're going to be using. I decided to show how to do this because I remember in this video a lot of people asked me how I cut the buckets. Then I used a knife, but here I'm using a cutter. Anyone could actually work. So this is how to cut the top off the bottom part of the bucket. So the next thing you're going to need is a spray paint. This is a black spray paint and I'm going to spray the buckets black. After spraying the buckets, the next thing you're going to need are this fancy nylon that is used to wrap. So I'm just going to place them into the bucket and cut it to fit the bucket. Next thing you're going to get are these styrofoams. Guys, remember this video, I remember the trick I taught you. We're also going to be using that trick here. We're going to be using styrofoam to fill up the bucket, then we're going to be putting whatever it is I want to put on top of it. So I'm just trying to cut the styrofoam into shape and into size to fill up the bucket. So the next thing you're going to get are these bamboo sticks, and these bamboo sticks are what are going to serve as the stem to the roses. I also got these roses, these artificial roses. I got about 20 of them, and what I'm going to be doing is to attach the sticks to the roses. Next thing you want to do is start arranging them into the bucket. So you're just going to cut these sticks in order to fit the bucket. So there's a lot of trial and error at this part, so you're just going to cut, fit until you find the perfect size that fits into the bucket. Now the next thing you want to do is have like a base where your chocolate is going to stay on top. So I made this base using carton. I cut out the carton using the size of the bucket. Then I wanted it to look a bit different, so I glittered that part of the carton, and this is what it turned out. Then the next thing you're going to do is place a rose in the middle, and you're finally going to arrange all your chocolates around the roses. this part is very optional, but I printed out a sticker using my logo and I placed the sticker on the bucket, and I also used the ribbon and tied the ribbon around the bucket and put a bow on it, and I was done.
Guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave comments in the comment section, ask me questions, let me know your thoughts about this DIY. Do you like it? Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.